Hi, I'm Charlotte Schreiner of Charlotte & Associates with RE/MAX Gateway. Today I am in front of the most fabulous listing to hit the market in this sought-after Crosspointe community in Fairfax Station. So come check it out. Imagine starting your day here in this beautiful modern kitchen, having your coffee at this island, or ending your day in this amazing screened-in porch with a glass of wine. It's a beautiful place to be. The backyard is fenced. It just doesn't get any better than this. To take a closer look, come to the open house on Saturday, June 4th from 1 to 4, or visit my website at charlotteschreiner.com.